Ever fancied a treat that perfectly marries the warmth of ginger with the playful sweetness of bubbles? Meet the Gingerbubbleman. This culinary marvel takes the comforting familiarity of gingerbread and infuses it with a delightful surprise, a burst of bubblegum flavor. Ideal for gatherings, holidays, or when you're simply in the mood for a sweet indulgence, these Gingerbubblemen are a surefire hit. With every bite, expect an explosion of flavors that will leave you wanting more. Ready to unleash a wave of deliciousness? Let's dive into the recipe. First things first, gather all your ingredients. For the gingerbread dough, you'll need all-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, ground ginger, cinnamon, cloves, softened unsalted butter, packed brown sugar, a large egg, molasses, and vanilla extract. And let's not forget the star of the show, the bubble filling, which is simply small bubblegum balls rolled in powdered sugar. Lastly, for the icing, you'll need powdered sugar, milk, vanilla extract, and assorted food coloring if you're feeling creative. Now, let's move on to the preparation. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Whisk your dry ingredients together in a medium bowl and set aside. In a large mixing bowl, cream together your butter and brown sugar. Add the egg, molasses, and vanilla extract, mixing well. Gradually add your dry ingredients to this mixture until a soft dough forms. While the dough chills, prepare your bubble filling. With all the ingredients ready and the oven preheated, it's time to create some Gingerbubbleman magic. Now that we've done our prep, let's bring our Gingerbubbleman to life. Begin by rolling out one portion of your chilled dough on a floured surface to about a 1/4 inch thickness. Using your favorite gingerbread man-shaped cookie cutter, cut out your shapes and place them on your prepared baking sheets. Now comes the fun part. Place a powdered sugar-coated bubblegum ball smack in the center of each gingerbread man. Press it lightly into the dough, just enough to make it stick. Next, roll out the second portion of dough and cut out matching gingerbread man shapes. Place these on top of the bubblegum balls and seal the edges by gently pressing them together. It's like a little surprise waiting in every bite. Pop these into your preheated oven and bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Keep an eye out for those golden brown edges. That's when you know they're done. Once baked to perfection, let the Gingerbubblemen cool down a bit before we move on to the final step. While our Gingerbubblemen are cooling, let's whip up some icing. Whisk together powdered sugar, milk, and a dash of vanilla extract. For a dash of color, mix in your favorite food coloring. Now for the fun part, drizzle this sweet concoction over our cooled Gingerbubblemen. Be as creative as you want. Allow the icing to set before serving, giving our treats a polished, delectable finish. And there you have it, the ultimate Gingerbubbleman, a delightful treat that's sure to leave everyone craving for more.